I'm so fancy.
Hello guys.
I am. I don't know.
Hi guys, so today I'm filming a very normal video without anybody. And as you probably already saw by the title, we're going to film trying and reacting to American snacks. So we've got drinks and sweets and salty things, and we're super excited.
I'm Max, by the way.
I'm Mariana. She's Zara.
And she's my sister.
And Maya is here too.
Today it's the first video I'm filming with my sister and
All the family.
all the squad, you know.
We don't have the name for the squad, so
Comment down below. Comment down below. We're going to start with the salty stuff and end in the sweets. So
They're super excited to try the chips, so okay. What do we try first? No, so I think this one is better. So I'm so excited.
this one, let me just show you. This is the Fritos flavored twists honey barbecue.
It was Fritos. I'm super excited because there's a lot of things honey barbecue with that flavor. So yeah, let's try. Barbecue tastes like ketchup, but I don't like ketchup. Can I help them?
It smells good, right?
Yeah.
It
Don't
smells
like
like
pasta.
It smells like fruit.
It looks like pasta.
Yeah, it looks like pasta. Zilly pasta. Okay, 1,
to
2, cheers.
cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3. I love this.
It's so good.
It tastes like smoky.
Yeah.
And
And
sweet.
ketchup.
No. There's something that tastes like this, but I can't remember.
Doritos.
Okay, so we're going to score this.
Yeah.
From 1 to 5 stars. I'm going to give it like... It's not super different from what we eat. It's super good.
I like it.
4 stars. I give it 4
Hey.
stars.
3.
I think it's really.
3 stars.
I like this a lot.
3. I give it 4. She
4.
gives it 4.
3.
3 stars. Okay.
3.5 stars.
And now I'm going to try this. And I saw one Portuguese YouTuber trying this. So it's the Combos Baked Snacks Pepperoni Pizza Cracker.
But this sounds like super fast food, like super. Come on, look at that right now.
Like cheese.
And I don't like cheese and pepperoni, so.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, 1. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheese.
1, 2. It's
It
not
really
that
is
It
good.
doesn't smell like pepper. It doesn't taste like pepperoni.
It really tastes like pizza.
Not really. It tastes
But
a lot like
The
crackers.
tomato.
I prefer the other ones. These ones are good because I don't really like crackers.
Okay.
I don't like this all to myself.
I don't like
How
it,
many
but
stars?
I can't stop
4.
eating it.
4 stars. I give it like
3,
3.
3.5.
How many stars?
1.
1. You didn't like it? Now,
Mucho
okay, so
mango.
there is Arizona in Portugal, for those who don't know, but there's not as many flavors as there. In there's like a huge thing of Arizona. I showed you the picture, right?
Right.
Yeah, mucho mango. Mucho mango. Mucho mango. Okay, so this is like a lot like Mexican.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I like it.
Yeah, it's
It
nothing
tastes like
super
a gummy.
special.
A gummy.
It tastes a lot.
It's very sweet.
It tastes a lot like Arizona, like the basic flavor of Arizona,
But
But-
less,
with a mango.
It's
yeah,
very
with a mango
sweet,
touch. How many stars?
3.
Yeah, I give it like
3.
3.5.
3.5.
3.
Yes.
I was thinking about 2.5, but
You're giving.
it was good, so
It was
3.
good, but
But
it
not
didn't taste
so
a lot like
good.
tea. Yeah, it was good. It was okay. Now,
One
so
strawberry
me and Zara
corn.
already tried it and know how it tastes, but they don't.
Yeah. Okay, so it has the sparks that are Cheerios, and then it has the sparks that are marshmallow. Let me try. Yummy too. It's a little fish. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be butterfly.
fell on the
1,
floor.
2, 3. What I feel
like
about
it.
this cereal is that if you eat a lot of the Cheerio parts and just 1 or 2 marshmallows, it's okay. But if you eat all marshmallows, it's so sweet.
Yeah.
So I give the cereal 4 and the marshmallows 2.
I give the whole thing, not to be complicated, a 3 because of the marshmallow being too sweet. So
Yeah, I gave it 2.
how many stars?
5.
5. She still loves it. Okay, so now we have 2 things that I'm very excited. Personally, I don't really like M&Ms.
I
My
like it.
mom and my... Do you like M&Ms?
No. I like it.
Zara doesn't like M&Ms really as well. My mom loves M&Ms.
This is
And-
peanut butter 1.
This is peanut butter M&Ms and this one's our pretzel M&Ms.
It has a different
This one's are the peanut butter
Forma.
ones, right?
shape.
Come on.
It's not as round.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
It's good.
It smells like the original ones, I guess.
It tastes like the original ones, but it isn't that crunchy because it doesn't have the whole
creamy.
Peanut, you know what I mean? I love it. I like it. It's very good because instead of having the hard peanut, it has the moist and creamy peanut butter, and I love peanut butter.
really good. Okay, now let's try this one.
How many stars?
Yeah, how many stars?
3.
Give it like a 4.5.
4.
Man.
I give all
1.
3. I'm so mean.
Ah,
I want the orange one. No, get the one. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
cheers.
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 1, 2, 3.
I don't like it.
It's not that bad. Actually.
Package.
Okay, 4 stars.
Now we have gum. Gum candy.
2 stars.
3 stars. Yeah.
0. No, 2.
Now we have. Oh, we forgot this. Let me see what's that. So I was really excited to buy really different M&Ms because here we have like 4 types of M&Ms, and in America there's like a
4.
bunch.
I wanted to buy like the cookie Oreos. I didn't buy it in that day because I thought I would see it again. And I also saw the red velvet Oreos that I really wanted to buy. But I didn't bought it that day, so it will have to do. Oh my god, I didn't realize the package was like that.
Okay. 1, 2.
Cheers.
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 1, 2, 3. They're good.
This is
Only
so
1 or 2
gross.
months.
No, it's not. You're
It's like Oreo with
Mint.
toothpaste.
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 Yeah, it tastes a little bit like that. But
1.
4.
4. Cheers.
Okay, I'm thirsty, so let's try this.
I don't like cherry.
Fun
things.
fact, I hate
Pepsi and Coca-Cola.
yeah, I
I
hate
hate
fizzy
too.
drinks. 1.
Ah, cheese.
Cheers.
Cheese, 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 cheese. Ding, 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 ding.
1, 2, 3.
This is
I hate it. 0.
Ugh.
This is awful.
5. How people can drink this? It tastes
I
really
love
bad.
Christmas, but this really tastes like Christmas. I don't know why, but it does. Candy canes taste like this.
Okay,
Try this.
I give it
First.
1 star.
I
Sorry,
give it 1
Pepsi.
too.
Very
I give it 0. I hate it. 5. Oh my god.
What?
Okay, now
We're going to
we
try
like
nerds. I feel like nerds are super known in America, and we don't have nerds here. The package is so cute. It has like half and half. This half
I
is
guess
grape,
this is, yeah.
and this one is
All
strawberry.
nerds look like this package.
And me and Zara already tried this, so I'm sorry.
Stop it. It's kind of much enough. I'm going to... how much? No! Oh, I did it. I think you're supposed to do this.
Eu já tinha
let me
preparado
show you,
isso,
like-
mas
We were trying to
eu já
take
tinha
them from here.
preparado.
There's actually an opening here.
She loves me.
Okay, wait.
2, 3.
3.
No.
1, 2, 3. Oh, this is good.
I like it.
Now I want the pink one.
Wait. This tastes like something I don't really like.
I don't care.
It tastes too artificial.
I guess it's red.
Like how many stars?
This one too.
4.
2.
I don't like this one so much. I'm done.
I think it's
How many stars you give the great ones?
I don't care about you. I'm gonna.
4.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I like this.
I prefer this one a little bit.
Try
Wait, how
this
many
one.
stars?
4. I like this
4.
one.
Yeah. 4.
3.
5. 4.
You were like,
Wait,
5.
this is say page.
Yeah, this chocolate chip
Chocolate
thing.
chip bar cliff.
Yeah, I guess that's really famous. Like in common
Energy
in America.
bar. Energy bar.
It is.
Made with organic rolled oats.
Oats.
Oh.
Super different.
What?
Okay, wait. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3. I mean, it doesn't taste that much like oats. Wait, how many stars?
3. 3.5. 2.5.
3.
3.
2.5.
2.5. Yeah.
3.
No, it's not.
It's
That
not
How
that
many
bad.
stars?
4.
I don't eat juices. How many of this did you eat?
Did it have colors?
No, just one color.
I thought it would be blue. Not blue. Okay.
It doesn't look like fish.
It's so hard. Like.
Yeah,
It's very.
Come on.
Então,
Cheers.
ela já mordeu.
Cheers. Ugh.
Yummy. I like it.
It's weird.
Okay, how many stars?
Oh,
1.
I want
I
the
think
blue
I'm
one.
giving 3 all the
Half a star. Or like 1 star. I hope this is like really sour because I want to make those weird faces. I need to. Has a
Cheers.
less weird.
Oh, mine's blue too. Oh.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, this is really sour.
I love it. This makes me think of the unicorn frappuccino.
I don't.
This is how it feels inside your mouth.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's fine.
This is not that much sour.
I like it.
Too sweet. Nah. 1 star.
5 stars.
4 stars.
3.
3. 3. 3.
Okay, she already tried something like this, and this is going to be like the healthy part of the video. Because I went to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, which are 2 really
I
healthy
tried some
supermarkets.
from-
It looks like
What the hell?
It's
clear. This is really weird.
I don't like it.
It's not that bad.
This is
But
gross.
it's not that
Gross. Horrible, horribly.
Half of a star.
I give it 0 like Coke. It's not Coke, it's Pepsi.
I give it 1.5. No, I give it 1. Now this.
I like the
Okay.
Okay.
sword.
The last
patch.
one is Pop Rocks Cotton Candy Explosion.
It's those things that is like. Oh,
Dust.
we already gave stars.
Dust.
How many stars do you give?
3.
This
don't
is the
think if you
things
can
that
see.
make like noise.
It's unicorn dust.
1,
Wait.
2, 3.
It's unicorn dust. I like it.
Okay.
Okay, so I give it 4 stars.
Because
No, not
I already
mine, he's
taste that in here in Portugal, so Portugal.
I don't give anything a 5. But
Now we're going to try the blue raspberry Pop Tart. And I toasted this in the toaster, and this smells really bleh. So really sweet. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
you try it.
It smells worse than it tastes,
Yeah, it tastes really good.
It's
but I don't
odd.
like it.
I think if this was more cold, it would
Tastes better.
I think if it would be more crunchy. Stars, that's right.
2.
3. 2.
Yeah.
So yeah, I really like filming this video.
I like participating in being fat this day.
Yeah.
But
Uh,
some things, I hope I never try it again.
I like to try new things.